How to log into Wirex application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are looking for a way to log in to your Wirex application, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the Wirex app on your device, and once you're inside this welcome screen, click on Login. On the next page, you'll need to go enter your email address and password associated with your Wirex account. If you don't remember the password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. If you remember your credential, go ahead and write down your email address associated with Wirex in the first field, and on the next field, write down your correct password. Finally, click on the login button, and if your credentials are correct, you'll be able to log into your Wirex account. Complete any required security verification, and once verified, you'll be signed in. So that's how you easily log into your Wirex application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.